Hey guys, how are you guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to fix cellular data not working on any Android phone. How you can fix that problem. I know most of you have ever bought data and it fails to connect or to work. These procedures I'm going to show you will help you solve that. Let's begin. But before we begin, if you haven't yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe and hit the bell notification icon. Thank you. Solution number one you can take is to restart your phone. You restart your phone, then you try to connect again after restarting. Then in case that option fails, you go for option number 2. Option number 2 is to check whether you have mobile data limit. Let me show you how you can check whether you have mobile data limit. This is how you check for mobile data limit. You go to settings, network and internet. Then you open here default for calls mobile network. You select that mobile network. Then as you see here, for me I have used 2.55 GBs. I have no mobile data limit. So you check if you have mobile data limit, it will be showing you here that you have exceeded your mobile data limit, and in case you have exceeded it, it may fail to connect to the internet. So you have to set it again, and change the mobile data limit. Let's go to option number 3. Another thing you can do is to put your phone in airplane mode. Airplane mode, if you don't know airplane mode, it's the same as flight mode effect. This is it. Flight mode. This one here. This one. You just tap on it at once. And you again tap on it. You switch it on and off. That can also help because it helps to change your IP address. For a faster internet connection. Let's go to solution number 4. Solution number 4 is to reboot your phone with airplane mode active. Rebooting is the same as restarting. Restart your phone with airplane mode active. You put on your flight mode. You then select you restart. As you see here, you restart or reboot. That's for solution number 4. Solution number 5 you can take is to reinsert your SIM card. Reinserting your SIM card also requires switching off your phone, then opening it at the back, then you remove the SIM card and then insert it again. That's reinserting. Or you can even change the ports. Remove it from SIM 1 and insert it to SIM 2. That's number 5. So number 6 is to reset your network. reset your network. Yeah, to reset your network, this is how you can do it. Open your settings, you head on to network and internet, mobile network. Let me first turn off the airplane mode. Open mobile network. As you see, here it is in automatic network. Here, automatic network. But you can select here and choose or change the mobile network. You choose it from here. As you see, those are some of the networks available, so you can choose from these networks depending on your internet service provider. Let me choose Airtel and connected. That can also be a solution. Yeah. Number 7, solution number 7 is to enter APNs manually. Now let me show you the APN settings. You change the APN settings manually. Again, you open network and internet. Then you select mobile network.
I just like the sound.
Here you select access point names. Here you see to change APN. For me, I have three kinds of APN networks. Yeah, you can change, or you can tap on your top right corner. You reset to default. That can also work. In case that one fails, you change the APNs manually, like here. You tap on plus you. Let me show you here. On this APN, you change the APN name, APN proxy port, what? Here for more inquiries, in case you want to change your APNs, you can contact me or you can comment. By the way, that's how you change the APN networks. Some APNs do not work well. Solution number 7 is to switch between network generations. Yeah, you switch in case your phone supports both 4G and 3G. You can change in case it fails to connect on 4G. You can change it from 4G to 3G. That's it. Let me show you how you do it. You again open your settings. You go to network and internet. Mobile network. As you see, preferred network type. Yeah, my phone supports 3G, 2G. Yeah. For example, I can change it to 2G. If I don't want 2G, if 2G is so slow, 2G is so slow, I can change to 3G or 2G. There it's in automatic mode. Yeah, that can also be another solution. Another Another solution is to factory reset. This one requires you to first switch off your
I
phone.
just like the sound.
Then after switching it off, you place your power off button and the volume up button at the same time. Yeah, then you follow all the procedures and factory reset your phone. You reset to default settings. Yeah, the last solution you can take is to contact the telecom service provider, for example Airtel. For the case of Uganda, you can contact them at 100, then you talk to them. They can help and send you internet settings. Yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for watching and supporting John's Empire. Keep supporting, and if you haven't yet subscribed, please help. Keep supporting, subscribe, hit the notification bell icon, and be the first person to receive the pop-up message in case I upload any new video. Thank you for supporting. May God bless you. Amen. I sign out.